that your chickens can pay you every single day without spending heavily on feeds? Yes, every morning your farm can produce cash in the form of meat or eggs. In this video, I'm going to show you how my free-range chickens generate daily income, how I harvest eggs, and the exact farm routine that keeps everything running profitably. Wanted a low-cost poultry business? You can start with little cash and make meaningful profit. This free-range poultry farming system might be the smartest way to start. Free-range chickens or free-range farming is one of the easiest and earliest, most profitable way to raise poultry, especially if you want to reduce feeding costs. Unlike intensive systems where birds depends 100% on commercial feed, free-range chickens roam freely, find insects, grass, and other natural food, and it requires less feed, produce healthier organic eggs. This means lower cost, higher profit, and daily income from eggs and your meat chicken. Let me take you through my daily routine and show you how this works in real life in free-range chicken. Watch this video to the end, and if you have any question regarding this topic, you can drop it on the comment section. Let's meet there and discuss further. Every day starts early on the farm. The first thing you do in the morning is to open the poultry house and allow the chickens to go out into the range area. As they spray out, they begin to peck at grasses, hunt for insects, scratch the soil. As they move around, they get energy and other minerals and vitamins through the atmospheric environment. As they are moving around, they are coming out from their secured houses where they rest because of heavy sunshine or rain. They find feed on their own, and this reduces the cost of feeding them. At the same time, you maximize your profit. After releasing them, check their water supply, refill drinkers, inspect for any sick birds, because healthy birds are the foundation of consistent egg and meat production. Now, here is the real profit and where the real profit comes from. In free-range farming, you don't rely fully on expensive commercial feed. They move around and find food on their own while you supplement the food for them. And the food supplementation is less than 30% of their total intake. You can also include chicken and kitchen waste, farm byproducts like vegetables, fruits, and others, local feed alternatives like banana and plantain stems, corn, fermented rice, and other local grains. Why they also find their food, the higher percentage of their food on their own by scratching the ground in the wild or in the secured area where you prepared for them. This reduces cost of the food up to 30 to 50%. That's the difference between struggling and making profit in poultry farming. Egg production is your daily income. Meat production is your final harvest income. A healthy hen can lay 4 to 6 eggs per week, depending on the feeding and management. If you have 100 birds, you can get around 60 to 80 eggs daily. Now imagine you have 1,000 birds, and imagine selling those eggs every day. That is a steady cash flow in your business. But to achieve this, you must provide clean nesting area, very comfortable house, and reduce stress. Maintain proper feeding for them, and make sure you supplement their feeding with quality feed. Egg harvesting is one of the most important parts of this business. You collect egg at least twice daily, morning and afternoon. Why? Because it prevents breakage, keeps eggs clean, reduces loss, and you gently pick eggs from nesting boxes and places them in a basket. Always handle eggs carefully to avoid cracks or damage. Clean eggs attracts better market value and better profit. How the money comes in, daily income breakdown from your free-range farming system. Now, if you sell one egg for 200 naira, I don't know how much they sell it in your area. Okay, now let's use 100 naira. I know that eggs sells more than 100 naira. Let's use 100 naira. And you collect 70 eggs daily. That is 7,000 per day. If you are selling 200, that will give you 14,000 per day. In 1 month, you are getting 200,000 naira. And remember, your feeding cost is low. Your birds are partially self-feeding themselves. This is how free-range farming becomes profitable. Farm work and management. Clean waterers always. Checking fences or the protection, that's the biosecurity measures. Protecting birds from predators. Monitoring birds' health. You must also vaccinate when necessary. Keep the environment clean. Provide sheds. You can see them in a shady environment. And shelter where they rest at night. This is simple management that leads to strong birds and steady production. You will also face some challenges. And how to solve those challenges include: 1. Free farming is profitable, but it has some challenges which you must deal with for you to conquer and make profit. The problem of the predators. Use fence and secure housing. Egg loss. Train birds to lay in nesting boxes. Weather condition. Provide shelter and sheds for them to move around and where they can sleep at night. Low production. Improve feeding and water supply. When you manage this properly, these challenges can be controlled to the barest minimum. If you want daily income from your free-range poultry, don't just raise chickens. Raise them the smart way, because free-range farming gives you lower costs. Use vegetables, cabbages, sprout, rice, fermented maize, and others to get healthier birds, and consistent egg and meat production. Smart business. Learn the system and grow gradually. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more farming tips, and share this video with other farmers around you. Share it in your platforms, groups, and other areas you belong, because your next egg could be your income. See you in the next video, loading very soon. Thank you for watching. Our Eco Bio Booster is still available. If you need it, send message on this number on the screen while the chickens enjoy the organic feed. And if this video interests you, please give it a thumb up and drop your comment. If you have any question regarding this video, drop it in the comment section. Let's meet there and discuss further on this particular topic. Are you ready to go into free-range system of farming? Are you already in free-range system of farming? What challenges are you facing in the business? Let me know on the comment section. Where are you watching this video from? Let's see on the comment section. Thank you. Bye for now.